Welcome back to Beaumont's Home Kitchen. Today we'll be making some awesome creme brulee. My channel does not have a creme brulee, so we're doing a white chocolate creme brulee. So let's get started. So got some eggs here, some room temperature eggs. All right, just gonna separate the yolks because we need the yolks. So separate those up. I'll do something with the whites, I'm sure. Okay. One yolk, next yolk. Okay, yolks are running away on me here, making a mess. No, that's okay. Clean as you go is good. Okay, come on. There we go, perfect. Mr. Yolk. So put the whites over here. I have a plan for that. So for creme brulee, you need 5 ingredients if you're doing a white chocolate one. Doing a regular creme brulee, you need 4 ingredients. So that's pretty cool. All right, so 3 egg yolks into here. Okay, whisk. And 2 tablespoons of sugar. 1, 2, whisk these eggs up. Just gonna mix this so they can become a little shiny sort of thing. Yes, don't be scared to make creme brulee. It's not very technical. It's pretty easy, but things can go wrong. Not too hard to make though. I think the usual thing that can go wrong is pouring the hot milk too fast into the eggs. That can really hurt your creme brulee. Or for cream, I'm gonna heat that up. Take a cream. That's 1 cup of heavy cream into the pot. Okay, with 2 tablespoons of sugar into the cream. Okay, mix. Kind of wait till the cream comes to a boil, so that'll take a few minutes there. And a little note, the cream will bubble over quite fast, so you would definitely want to make sure, keeping an eye on it. Now we're going to toss our 2 ounces of white chocolate, or you can do your baker's chocolate, or I'm using some chocolate chips. Toss those in there. Melt out pretty quick. Cream should be at a boil pretty quick here. I say it ain't a cooking channel if you don't have creme brulee on there. Ooh, and a white chocolate one, that's kicking it up just a little bit. See, cream has come to a boil. Nice boil there. Okay, bubbling away. And slowly add the cream. Of course, slowly, so we go a little bit. And constantly stir just a little bit. Okay, stir, 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 stir. Stir, stir, stir. Slowly pour a little more in. I guess this step is called tempering the eggs. Okay, this is more or less pouring a little bit at a time and continuing stirring. Don't be intimidated with that, pretty easy, okay? Preheating oven 325. Yeah, pour the rest in. A little bit of vanilla extract. A little bit of vanilla. Stir that in. Take a spoon. See there's bubbles there? I'm gonna kind of skim that off. And we're gonna strain it as well, so that's okay. Into a measuring cup. Just gonna butter each ramekin. This keeps them from, being sticky. We're gonna keep them in there already, which is fine. Take our dis. Okay. Slowly add our creme brulee in here. Got a few ramekins there, so that's good. This one. Try to get them like even distributed. Perfect. Now, so we got a deep roasting pan. This is perfect. So we're gonna put our creme brulee in here, like so, like so. So I'm gonna boil some water. Do about 1 inch of boiling water. Okay, pretty exciting. The white chocolate creme brulee. I just had that idea. I don't know, it just kind of came to me the other day. I'm like, yeah, if I do creme brulee, I had some of the white chocolate chips, and I'm like, yeah, that'll work. As I said, Beaumont's Kitchen definitely needs a creme brulee. I say you're not a food channel if you don't have a creme brulee on there. Dessert. Come on, water's boiling. Now toss our creme brulee into the oven, like so. Just like so. Toss our boiling water, roughly about an inch. Slowly. Try to show you what I'm doing. It's pouring water in here. Try not to burn myself here. Ow. Too late. Just adding in a touch more water. Okay. That should be an inch. All right. Loads are up. The main thing is try to pour the water fast. Now, roughly we'll check it in about 45 minutes to 50 minutes and make sure it's not jiggly anymore. And then we'll dig into some creme brulee after it sets in the fridge for 4 hours. Enjoy some creme brulee, but I'll show you the next step. Creme brulee is done. You're done because I was gonna grab the tongs. So if you jiggle them a little bit, you'll know. See how it's not jiggling at all, especially in the middle. That's kind of how you know they're ready. Okay. It all depends on your oven. Like these ones took about 45 minutes. So it all depends on your oven. So pretty much after 45 minutes, you want to check them, see how they are. Sometimes it might need more time or less time depending on your oven. But I'm thinking roughly if you do it 45 minutes, you should be good. As long as you're at the center. I don't know if you can see that, but so it doesn't jiggle, you're good. So I'm gonna cool them down for about 10 minutes. I don't have a wire rack, but I have a cutting board and I'll put them on for about 10 minutes and we'll toss them into the fridge for at least 4 hours. And then we'll come back and we'll enjoy some creme brulees. Never actually made them in a restaurant, but now you put Shawnee in a restaurant, I can bang out these creme brulees, no problem. I know the process, right? If you know the process, you can't screw it up, right? And if you, all depends, like sometimes you can screw it up, but follow the steps properly, you're good. And you'll have always perfect creme brulees. It's definitely quite an art and a bit of a skill. Show you how we're gonna torch this, do the creme brulee part. Let's grab some sugar. This is how we're gonna serve it. And normally you can serve it with berries and some other stuff. I don't have any fruits, so we're just gonna serve it just very traditional style. Okay. I'm gonna sugar. Should be get them out. I'm gonna sprinkle the sugar all around, like so. Oh yeah, it's looking good. Looking pretty good. We'll put that one aside. Yeah, I'll show you the crack part. So you go, and then it cracks. Then you have the smooth, lovely creme brulee. Let's give it a try. Now, we're gonna give Mr. Creme Brulee a try. Creamy, crunchy from the sugar. It's very rich, very small. Dark chocolate. Vanilla. Creme brulee. Thanks for watching Beaumont's Kitchen. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share. Love ya. And we'll see you in the next one, and see you soon.